Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely well. So in this video we will see that how we can separate lines in text file. In notepad you can see here in 3 different lines, and how we can separate each line from one by one. It's taking too much time, but here I'm going to show you a simple and easy trick what you can use to get all the lines, all the text from here one by one easily, just one click. So stay tuned for this video. Now here for this we are going to use the notepad plus, and then copy all the text from notepad to notepad plus. Okay, just Control A, Control C, Control V, all this. Now when we got all this text here we are going to press Alt plus left mouse key, and you can see that we are able to select only one line text here. Same we can do with the other text here. The middle. If we want to get the middle text from here, we just have to click Alt and then press the left mouse key and get cut, and we can copy anywhere else. So this is a simple trick we can use to separate lines from text file if there's multiple lines. Okay, so this is a short video. I hope you're gonna like this, and check out our next video, what you will like for sure, I know. Okay, have a good day.